Alright, first thing, hold down 0 for about 8 seconds. And then while you're still holding 0, press the start button. And this password is 6789. And we'll do adjustments, NVM read write, and we'll do 616014 and hit read. So that will be at somewhere other than 2, and out over here we'll put a 2 and hit write. And then make sure right there in the value it says 2. And then we'll close out of that, call closeout, exit, and reboot. And then at this point the machine will reboot itself, and we'll get back into it when it comes back up.